We succeeded as a team and together we achieved.
We would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone involved in this fantastic achievement from Kuwait Oil Company, PMC, and Lamor. 1 million tons of contaminated soil treated in just 1 year. We have achieved a cumulative contaminated soils placed of over 2 million metric tons.
Since the first transportation on the 15th of November, 2022 till to date, a total cumulative transportation of 3 million metric tons of contaminated soils to the treatment area has been completed for remediation works. We successfully reached RTC for over 2 million tons of contaminated treated soil by a combination of soil washing plant and bioremediation.
Welcome everyone to North Kuwait excavation, transportation
and the remediation project Zone 1.
Please join us our journey to this achievement of the month of December.
Excavation and transportation of contaminated soil. Excavation and transportation of contaminated soil was continued from Rowderton area, where we have been working in sub-areas 2C, 2D and 2E. An average daily of 4,500 metric tons of contaminated soil was transported every day to the treatment plant for remediation works. The transported soils are weighed in the weigh bridge and stockpiled in accordance with TPH values for screening in the screening machines. The total quantity transported in the month of December is approximately 103,000 metric tons respectively. We are proud to announce that since the first transportation on the 15th of November, 2022 till to date, the total cumulative transportation of 3.5 million metric tons of contaminated soil to the treatment area has been completed for remediation works. Screening, pulverizing, and placing of contaminated soils at treatment area. Screening and pulverizing activities are ongoing, where 5 screening units and a crusher is in operation in 2 shifts. The screened soils are weighed in weigh bridge and placed in the stockpiles and biopads for remediation through bioremediation and soil washing technologies for contaminated soil with TPH values ranging from 1 to 5, 5 to 7 and greater than 7. The total contaminated soil screened, crushed and placed this month is 92,000 metric tons for remediation works. The total contaminated soil placed so far for remediation works is approximately 2.96 million metric tons respectively from the start of the project. Treated soil. We are delighted to inform that, so far 2.1 million metric tons of remediated soil has been removed from the treatment plant from the start of the remediation works. Approximately 540,500 metric tons of remediated soil was transported and backfilled in gatch pits, well pads and excavation areas at Sabria and Rowderton sub-areas, and 1.6 million metric tons was shifted to the temporary stockpile at south side of treatment plant area. Environmental and remediation update. This month marks a significant milestone in our journey to restore the environment. We have successfully reached RTC for over 2.24 million tons of contaminated soil, treated through a combination of advanced bioremediation and soil washing techniques. Here's a summary of our achievement. Total RTC for 1 to 5% TPH soil, 2,086,388 tons. Total RTC for 5 to 7% TPH soil, 101,413 tons. Total RTC for greater than 7% TPH soil, 53,431 tons. This month, we have completed RTC for 5 bioremediation batches and 1 soil washing batch. Additionally, we achieved a remarkable 50% TPH degradation in 13 bio batches. This month, we placed 12 batches for bioremediation, totaling 88,289 tons of soil with TPH ranging from 1% to over 7%. Some of these batches were mixed with filter cake from soil washing. To further enhance bioremediation, we tilled 151 bio batches and irrigated 127 batches this month. Our soil washing plant has been operating continuously, running for 420 hours this month. With an average feed rate of 40 tons per hour, we processed approximately 14,718 tons of soil, working 20 hours each day.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, sir! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hello everyone, Happy New Year to all.
Hi, Happy New Year to everyone.
كل سنة وانتم طيبين. Happy New Year.
كل عام وانتم بخير.
Happy New Year, everyone.